guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be checking out Madam Glam's new August collection. So the name of this collection is called Glamorous Paradise, and guess what guys, Madam Glam have only gone and sent the whole collection for us to check out. Look at these. How cool do these look? Some really unusual colours in here. So, for those of you that's not heard of Madam Glam gel polishes before, Madam Glam gel polishes are amazing quality. So you get 15ml in your glass bottles. All Madam Glam gel polishes are vegan, cruelty free, 21 free formula, palm oil free and hema free. Amazing quality guys. So like I normally do, I'm going to swatch them very quickly because we have got 8 colours to get through and I want to do a little design. So yeah, I'm going to probably speed the swatching up today so we can get through them and take a look at the colours, and then yeah, I want to do a little design using them. I want to show you what they're like for nail art because they're super opaque, and you'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen I've got a Madam Glam discount code for you guys, GG30. So I'll leave my Madam Glam website link pinned in my comments along with my discount code. If you want to head over there, you can save yourself 30% off. Madam Glam do also do a VIP membership as well. If anyone's interested in finding out more about that, then head on over to the website and you'll find all the information that you need there. Right, let's get swatching. First one is Glam Volcano. That is a really unusual colour. I don't think I've got anything like that. Do you know what it's reminding me of? Gingerbread. That's going to be great for gingerbread nails at Christmas. These are going to be perfect for autumn, aren't they? And the Madam Glam gel polishes cure for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. Next one is Mahalo. These are super creamy and opaque. I love that, you know, and you can see them self-leveling before your eyes. Love watching that. That's a really pretty one as well. It's a little bit lighter than what it's showing on my camera. Really, really pretty colour. Next one is Keep Palm. This is a really unusual colour. I've definitely not got nothing like this in my collection. That is a really cool colour. It's not really my sort of colour, but so many times I've seen a design that I want to do, and when I look through my collection I've not got a colour because it's not my kind of colour. And that's what I like about getting these collections. Quite often the colours that you wouldn't go out and buy. And I think it just pushes you as well to try new things. That is a really unusual colour. It's a very khaki green. Next one is Sundays. Really pretty yellow. It's looking a lot more yellow on my camera. Wow, what is going on my camera today? It is more of an orangey kind of yellow. That is looking like a bright yellow on my camera, but it really isn't. Coconut. Oh, this is a nice colour. I like this. That is a proper pretty cream. I like that. Look at that. That's lovely. That's going to be a really pretty base colour. Then we've got Aloha. That is a beautiful baby blue colour. Gorgeous. Next one is hibiscus. Ooh, this is a nice colour as well. Really nice pink. The last one is Sun Stalker. Oh, that's a really nice one as well. It's like a kind of burnt orange. It's nice. So there we are, guys. That is them all swatched. They've all had a coat of the Madam Glam's velvet matte top coat on the bottom half. And the Madam Glam's shiny top coat on the top half. Look how bright and vibrant these are. These are going to be amazing for autumn. They're still not showing true colour on camera. This is more of an orangey yellow. It's mainly this one really. The rest are not too bad. This is a little bit lighter than what it's showing. But it's mainly this one. But I will get pictures at the end, guys. I'll try and capture that true colour because that is a really nice unusual colour. What do you think? I really like them. And when I look at these colours, I see like Aztec print. So I think that is the route I'm going to go down today. So I'm going to get set up and I'm going to do a little design using some of the colours. So I shall pop back in a minute. So Gucci is going to be my guinea pig today because she's never had Aztec before. So she said she'd be my guinea pig. So I'm going to start off by giving all 4 nails a coat of this coconut. And one coat, guys, did not need any more than that. And then after I cured those, I did go in with an old matte top coat because I'm going to be doing artwork on these. And I just find doing it over a matte surface, you get a much nicer effect. So yeah, off camera, I did go in with a matte top coat.
So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do.
So I'm going to start off by doing all the outline to the Aztec print first. And you'll see there that I'm using the Madam Glam's black gel paint. And this black gel paint cures in an LED lamp for 60 seconds.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound.
Right, so I've pulled my palette out and I'm going to pop some of Aloha Mahalo, Keep Palm, and Sun Stalker. So I'm going to pop a little bit of all of those on my palette. And I'm going to use my Madam Glam detail liner brush. And I'm just going to colour this in now. So that's all the artwork done. Now I want these to be matte, but I find if I go straight in with a matte top coat, sometimes it can smudge and smear all the artwork. So I'm going to apply a coat of the Madam Glam's shiny top coat first. I only need to do it on these two nails. So I'm going to quickly give those a cure. Now I'm going to give them all a coat of the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. Then before I cure those, I'm just going to add these couple of little metal slices, and I'm going to add a couple of these crystals. I think these are called Amber AB crystals, if I'm not mistaken. Like I normally do, guys, I shall leave everything that I've used today listed in my description box below anyway. So I shall find out the name of these crystals and put it in my description box. So there we are, guys. That is them all done. What do you think? I think they're really cool. I really enjoy creating them as well. I'm really enjoying freehand at the minute. Yeah, I like them. I like them a lot. And that Madam Glam detail liner brush, you can get such super thin lines. It's amazing little brush that is. So let's take a look at the colours again very quickly, shall we? So that is all the colours. They're super bright and vibrant, aren't they? I like them. Really unusual colours that I've not got. That's what I like about these. So these are available on the Madam Glam website as from today. I want to say a massive thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these and for sending the whole collection. Thank you so much. I'm really happy with these. So that's everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.